be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, a few years ago, let's say about 5 years ago now, I dropped the video on these, the Jordan 13 Low Brave Blue. Alright? And if you watch that video, you'll see I got a little emotional. I got a little emotional in that video because this shoe, when it released in 1998, I was in 8th grade. This was the first Jordan that I ever got. Alright, this was my very first Jordan. 1998, starting 8th grade with these. So this is the most sentimental pair of Jordans in my collection. Right here. Jordan 13 Low Brave Blue. I got them. My big brother got them for me. And a matter of a month or so later, they were stolen from me. I didn't wear Jordans again for like over a decade. Got them in 98. Maybe 15 years later, I started wearing Jordans again. So glad to have these. Man, one of my favorite pairs. The ones that mean the most to me. This was the one. When these came out, I had to have these because of the sentimental value of these, right? So, of course, you know, I had to get these, all right? I had to. Must cop. And with these, this is the first time that I hit on one of the Foot Locker reservations. I never hit on Foot Locker reservations. Never. It never happens for me. But this particular time, I used, 4 head starts. I put the information in and I said ship to me, and I got them. I never hit. Never hit. But here we are. Alright. These are the Air Jordan 13 Retro. Alright. Colorway is navy, university blue, and black. Okay. And the size I got on these is a 13. Alright. Now I know some of you may be saying, Ralph, you normally get a size 14 in your shoes. Why did you get a 13 in these? Lately, I've been feeling like my Air Jordan 13s have felt a little bit long. And I have the Flints. Wherever they are, they're up there. I have the Flints in a size 13 and they feel right. So I said for these, I'm going to try a 13. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Oh, man. I'm not going to be as emotional as I was for the lows, but just know I'm very happy to have these. Man, very nice. Very nice. Left shoe first, baby. Yeah. Whoo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The Air Jordan 13 High or Mid, depending on how you look at it. What does it say? What does it say on the box? Air Jordan 13. It doesn't say whether it's a high or mid, but depending on how you look at it, it's either a high or the mids. But let's go with the high. Air Jordan 13 in the higher cut. Brave blue. Man. Yes, sir, man. And they kept it true. They kept it true to these. I mean, as true as you can keep it to the originals. You know, of course they're gonna add the hologram there instead of the metallic Jumpman. That would have been nice if they would have put the metallic Jumpman there in the highs. But, you know, on the lows, they usually put that metallic Jumpman, so I ain't mad about it. You got your navy blue carbon fiber on the bottom. Your paw pad in the white, black and white on the bottom. You got your kind of a Jumpman with the light blue, that team university blue there. Man, they kept it really accurate. They kept it very, very accurate to the original. Very accurate. Yeah, these should fit fine. These should fit fine. The lows, these lows are 14. These are a 13. And just holding them up like that, they do look similar in size. So we should be good to go on the highs. Excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold right now. But, man, these are nice, man. These off the top most definitely get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, because these are just too sweet. Maybe the first must cop of the year. I've copped other shoes this year. You know what? I can't say they're the first must cop. The LeBron Big Bangs and the Watch the Thrones came out, the LeBron 9s. But as far as a Jordan is concerned, this was the must cop of all must cops for me. I had to cop these. Most definitely had to cop this pair. Everything is authentic, man. It's authentic to the original pair. Let me unlace them a little bit. They be yoking these Jordan 13s up, man. No other Jordan comes as yoked. Like, they be super yoked up on the laces. Yeah, let's get in there. They almost have these as tight as blazers. Metallic Jumpman on the insole with the black insole, and then around the lining is that navy blue, that brave blue going around the lining there. Alright. Great materials. Great materials. Got your nubuck going around with the blue there. Yes, sir. And you do have your 3M hits on the blue area. So if the light hits these right, hit a little flash on them, it is going to be some 3M there. Alright. But you all know what we got to do now. We got to take these boys on feet. Alright. Here we are on feet with the Jordan 13. Not the lows, the regular 13s, the highs, the brave blues. Alright, man. Here are the lows for comparison. These are the lows for comparison. Alright, boom, and put those to the side. And here are the highs. Yes, sir. For a size comparison, I went with a 13. My big toe is right there. This is a perfect fit. Perfect fit. I think from here on out for Jordan 13s, I'm going with a size 13. I don't think I'm going with a 14 ever again in Jordan 13s. This confirms it. Between these and these, the Flints, I think a 13 is the way to go. I don't think I can do a 14 anymore. I don't know what is happening. I don't know if my foot is getting smaller as I get older or what, but this 13 feels right. That feels perfect on my feet. Perfect. Yes, sir. Now let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it on these. Man, if you can find them, if you can find this shoe, I definitely recommend it, man. I didn't even get into quality because I just love the shoe. Look at the tongue. You have your university blue on the tongue with the black in the background. It's soft. You got your navy on the back. I didn't even get into that. The leather around with the black. I think it might be just a where's the other? I think it's maybe just a little bit. Yeah. Let me take the shoe tree out of here. The leather on the high version is just a little bit better than that on the low. Just a tad bit more tumbled here and softer on the high than it is on the low. But man, definitely a great shoe. Definitely a great shoe. I love it. I absolutely love it. I didn't show the Jordan here on the toe box, and then on the back of that you have the 13. I didn't show that, but absolutely great shoe. Probably going to be one of my favorites by the end of the year. Definitely going to make my top 5. Man, I love this one. I'm glad to now have the high top version of the shoe that I love so much and I cherish so much in my collection. Man, I got them both. I got them both now. How about that? I usually don't like to do this. I usually, if I have, say I have a Jordan 11 and the high top, I get rid of the low top version if I had that one first. Like the bread 11s, the black and red 11s, I had the low tops first and then I got the high top. So I sold the low tops. But you best believe for these, I'm keeping both. I'm keeping both. But that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.